There's only one, there's only one. It's only one, just only one, just love and happiness, beauty and hope.
Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going from this silk press that used to be cute, but it's a little old and crusty now, onto long, voluminous, wavy, bouncy hair. And I want to thank Junoda for sponsoring today's video. So real quick, let's get into the contents of this box because I was shocked, okay? You see it on my face. I was like, what is this? I've never had a wig company send me this before. I opened it up and I was like, oh, it's like a curling iron. It has like the crimp part in the front, and I was just shocked. I was like, okay, crimps in the front part here if you want to do a little crimp 2000s look. We have the flattening, straightening iron on the side, and it's a curling iron, all 3-in-1. It's giving 3-in-1. Thank you. So we also have the lashes like we always do, the edge brush. We got to talk about this wig cap though. Don't be sending me no tan wig cap. I am a dark skinned girl. Put some respect on my name, but it's okay because I have another one anyways. And they sent a satin bonnet, which I always appreciate because mine always get lost. So let's get into this hair. We have a 24-inch deep wave, 150% density. Come on now, y'all see the curls? Beautiful. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hair into a bun. Gone are the days where we braid our hair down. I just can't be bothered. My hair is tired. My fingers are tired. I'm not braiding it. I'm not. So I'm just going to put it in a low bun. I'm going to use my B Beauty Edge Control. It's my favorite edge control, but you can use whatever you like. Just to kind of put my edges down in the front a little bit so that when I do apply the wig to the front of my hair, it'll be more of a seamless application. So literally just to my edges, not my whole head. So I'm going to do both sides. And then we're going to put on my wig cap, honey. My wig cap, which is still honestly not the right color. But just a little bit of foundation will take all that away, sister girl. So I'm just putting on the wig to see if it fits my head. And I've actually never seen a wig come that's already cut. So they do cut the lace for you, at least with this unit, which I'm not a huge fan of. I'd rather cut it myself because it's much easier to glue it down when like the lace is longer. But if you're someone who struggles with cutting the lace, then this is perfect for you. So I wanted to show you how long the hair goes down on me. It's a little bit underneath my chest. Like I said, it's 24 inches, but since it's obviously curly, it's gonna appear to be a little bit shorter. So let's get into the contents of the wig. It has a clip on both sides. It's actually a 4.5 by 6 or a 4.5 by 6 frontal. So it's not a full frontal, but it's not a 4x4. It's a little bit longer than that. So you get a little bit more room to play with it. So I'm just going to tint the lace a little bit with my foundation. I know some people will use powder, but I am just going to use what I have, sis. And yes, I'm using the Beauty Blender. Hey, use what you got, okay? So I'm just going to tint it a little bit to match my skin color. Us chocolate girls know the deal. So I'm putting it back on to make sure it matches a little bit better. And this, I'm much more excited about this. Yeah, I'm starting to feel myself now. You see it? The smile is out. So I'm going to cut off the remainder of the lace that I was like, I didn't really need. Some people leave a good amount of the lace on so they can do like baby hairs and stuff, but we're not doing that today. We're doing very much beginner vibes. Beginner vibes over here, not intermediate. I'm a beginner, okay? So I'm just trying to make it fit on my head, making sure it looks good. I'm going in with the, is it Ebin? E-B-I-N? Ebin, I think. This is my first time using this, and of course I got it because I saw other girls using it on YouTube. I'm not gonna lie, I was not a huge fan of this because it didn't really get very sticky. Maybe I needed to use more, but I think the Got to Be Glued Free Spray would probably be better. Like, we can't always jump on every trend. This wasn't my favorite hair spray or whatever to stick the wig onto my head. I've used better before, but it's fine. I will mention I do have a widow's peak, so I'm gonna need something stronger to make sure that my wig does not slide behind the widow's peak like it is on camera right now. I'm just too excited that I don't even realize, but it's behind the widow's peak a little bit, but it's okay. So I'm using the Coconut Curls mousse to kind of just mold my hair the way I want it to be. I'm gonna put it on like the top. It always ends up being more than what I think it is, but it's fine. So I'm putting it on the top, right? Because I'm going to hot comb it down a little bit because it can be a little boxy, a little bit bulky. And you kind of need to fit it to your head shape. And I got an interesting head shape, so I got to make sure it's nice and flat on the top of my head. So I will do that to both sides. And now I'm just going to define the curls, make sure the curls out here popping. And really, this is literally one of the most simplest wigs I've ever put on my head. It took like 10 minutes for the whole process to be done. Like, very simple, very cute. I'm feeling myself, but I was like, hold on. So I'm just showing you the back of how long it falls, kind of like right above my tailbone. Very cute. She's clean. Is this the clean girl aesthetic that y'all be talking about? I think it's real cute. I was like, hold on, let me put some makeup on. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of feel like I look better without it, but it's okay. She's cute with both. ¿Por qué no los dos? Why not both? Why can't we have both, okay? So then I was like, let me play with the side part a little bit. I was like, oh, wait a minute now. Look. I'm about to be like, oh, look at me. There it is. She was like, wait, girl, the side part is kind of cute. Wait a minute now. Definitely think the side part is cute. I can comb it over and take out that middle parting and just use my hot comb to like make it a clean part. But I just want to play with it a little bit. But you guys let me know what you like better, the side part or the middle part. Let me know in the comments. So that's all I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this really quick video on this wig. Again, thank you to Junoda Wigs for sponsoring this video. If you have any questions, leave them below and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Wait a minute. That's cute.